Next up on the range for Gunny. Before we begin, check out maps.techno.co where you'll find this video as well as thousands of others detailing everything you need to know about every quest, each step, and it even rotates based on your faction. Complete quests easier, maps.techno.co, Arena Breakout Infinite, and now Grey Zone Warfare. This one will need to scout the dumping ground nearby Hunter's Paradise, the campsite, and the motel. This is your first quest in a new area, and this is located all the way on the far north side of the map, Hunter's Paradise. You'll now have a LZ unlocked here, Foxtrot 1, but there are 2 more landing zones that you can unlock as well, or get other players to take you to. Just checking my website, the other one is over here. Let's do it. Alright, so finally approaching this place up here, let's begin. So there's 3 places we need to go, the dumping ground, campsite, and motel. The motel is here, the campsite is here, I think it is, and the dumping ground is right about here. So let's do it. I'll mark the motel first, we'll go to the camping ground, dumping ground, and then we'll make our way out using the second LZ. Now just keep in mind we are past our starting town, so there are probably going to be some enemies here that we need to take care of, both AI and players. Be prepared when you come here. So making our way in here, I'm approaching the motel from the backside. We'll need to get to the front, and as soon as we get to the motel, bam, this part of the mission is done. You can already see some AI just inside of here that we'll need to take care of if we want to move up any further. Alright, so going through these bodies, we didn't seem to get too much in the way of keys, but that's fine. We'll continue anyway. Alright, so the first location we're going to be going is right here. Unfortunately, I'll pass it, so I'll need to redo that one. Now, this one's pretty hidden away in the bush. It doesn't really look like a campsite, but that's essentially what it is. That's where we need to go. And there we go. Once we get here, we've now ticked off this part of the mission. The next place we're going is the dumping ground right about here. So heading down this road, you should see a place that looks something like this. This is the dumping ground. Even though there's just rubbish here, there are some AI too, so keep your wits about you. There we go. We've now scattered the dumping ground just by touching the gate here. Alright, so jumping back in time, I visited all 3 of these locations. Yep, I had to revisit here in order to get that done, so you'll be visiting here, then motel, then all the way to dumping ground, and after that, head your way all the way around here past Lewd Waterfalls, all the way to Foxtrot 2 where you'll be extracting. It's a good idea to grab this exfil as well. For me though, because I had to head back, I'll be heading here and then back home. There we go, on the range complete. That's really it for this quick guide. Hopefully you found it useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.